Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss two important questions belongs to quantum mechanics which will be useful for your JAM exam. So this is the first question that consider 9 electrons in 1D box having infinite potential wall extending from 0 x equal to 0 to x equal to b. First I have to draw the infinite potential wall one dimensional. So that we know extended from x equal to 0 to x equal to b. Okay, what is the minimum allowed total energy? Minimum allowed total energy using Pauli exclusion principle for the system. Okay, so here you can see here if 9 electrons are there, then what will be the minimum energy of the system? Okay, so uh, we know that for one dimensional infinite potential well, the energy states are En equal to n square pi square h cross square by 2m l square. Okay, so here n equal to 1 2 3 4. For each state n equal to n is going to vary. Okay, so here you can see this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth states are there, but spacing are different that we know. So here n equal to 1 2, n equal to 3, n equal to 4 and n equal to 5. Okay, then it is asked that the electrons have obey the Pauli exclusion principle. So according to Pauli exclusion principle, we know that no two electrons no two electrons are have four quantum numbers. Four quantum numbers are same. Okay, so that means if here in the first state, if two electron will be present, then at least one of the quantum number is going to be different. So here we can consider that the two electrons are seated in the first or ground state having the spin up and another have spin down. So here spin quantum number is different. So in the second excited state, this is the ground state. In the first excited state another two electron will be present. Third, another two electrons having spin up and spin down. So here 2 2 4 6 8, and then for n equal 5 another electron will be present. So this will be the distribution of the electrons in various energy levels. Now we are going to calculate what will the minimum uh, total energy. So for n equal to 1, two electrons are present. So here we can say for one electron or for one particle in ground state, that means E1 state, E1 value will be here n equal to 1 means pi square h cross square by 2ml square. So this will be pi square h cross square by 2ml square. So for two particles or electrons, this energy E1 value will be 2 pi square h cross square by 2ml square. See here length is given x equal to b. Okay, so x equal to, you just correct it, x up to x equal to l, x equal to l, no problem. Okay, likewise in second state, or you can say first excited state, another two electrons are present. So the total energy will be, if I am going to consider for E2, will be 2 into, for the second state it will be 2 square 4 pi square h cross square by 2ml square, 4 pi square h cross square by 2ml square. Then for E3 state, what will the total energy? Again two electrons are there here. 2 into here 3 we have to put 9, 9 pi square h cross square 2 ml square. For E4 again 2. For E4 this will 2 into 4 I have to put, means it will be 16, 16 pi square h cross square by 2m l square. And for fifth state only one electron is present, so E5, to total energy for this state n equal to 5, E5 will be equal to 5 square, that means 25 pi square h cross square by 2m l square. Okay, now we have to add these energies, we are going to get the total energy. So E will be equal to E1 plus E2 plus E3 E4 E5. So E will be equal to, here you can see that pi square h cross square by 2m l square is the common factor for all, so taken outside. Pi square h cross square by 2m l square taken outside. So for E1 it is 2, for E2 it will be 2 into 4 8 plus E3 2 into 9 18 plus E4 2 into 6 2 into 16 32 plus 25. Okay, 25. Now we are going to add these numbers, so total energy will be equal to, here you can see 8, 8 plus 2 10, here this will be 50 60, this is 25 85, right? 85 into pi square h cross square by 2m l square, or we can write it that 85 into here h cross means h by 2 pi, so it will be written h by 2 pi, so pi square will be got cancelled, so it will be h square by 4 m l square. So you can check your answer which one will be correct, that way that will be you have to answer. Okay, so next question is that consider a particle in 1D box between x equal to 0 to x equal to L. The potential is given 0 in between 0 to L, that means one dimensional infinite wall. So beyond L, below 0, particle not exist. So here we have to find out what is the probability that it will be found in between L by 4 to 3L by 4. Okay, in ground state, if the particle is its ground state, then what will the probability in between L equal to 4 to L equal to 3L by 4, in between this length, what will the probability? So we know that for this case, one dimensional infinite potential, ground state energy or ground state wave function psi 1 is equal to 2 by L root over sine n pi x by L. So n is 1 pi x by L. This is the ground state wave function that we know. Okay, we have to use this wave function to find out the probability. So probability density rho is nothing but psi star psi. Okay, and we have to find out the value in between L by 4 to 3L by 4. So we have to integrate L by 4 to 3L by 4 psi star psi dx is equal to L by 4 to 3L by 4 psi psi star psi, that means 2 by L into sine square pi x by L dx. So is equal to 2 by L constant taken outside, L by 4 to 3L by 4, sine square can be 1 minus cos 2 pi x by L whole divided by 2 into dx. So here 2 taken outside, 2 to got cancel, 1 by L, L by 4 to 3L by 4, 1 minus cos 2 pi x by L into dx. Integrate separately 1 by L. So integrating 1 with here 1 is there, means x limit from L by 4 to 3l by 4 minus integration cos 2 pi x by l, that means sine 2 pi x by l whole divided by 2 pi by l, limit from l by 4 to 3l by 4, right? Okay, so here 1 by l, this will be 3l. Now we have to put the limit minus l by 4. Okay, so here this will be l by 2 pi, 3l by 4 you have to put over here, 3l by 4, 3l by 4 means l got cancelled, 2 4, that means sine 3 pi by 2 minus l by 4, if I will put, this will be sine pi by 2. Okay, so this will be 1 by l, here 3l minus l, 2l by 4, this will be 2l by 4, 2l by 4 minus, this is l by 2 pi, and sine 3 pi by 2 is nothing but minus 1, this is sine pi by 2 1. Okay, okay, so here you can see l got cancelled, this is 1 by 2, minus this will be 2, and here l will be 1 by l multiplied with this term, l got cancelled, so here 2 will be there, 2 2 got cancelled, plus 1 by pi, so this will be the answer. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.